Hey guys, it's Miss Britt here. I'm going to go over the understanding fractions on a number line document with you today. And this kind of piggybacks on what we did yesterday. So I just wanted to use something that was, more of a kind of worksheet thing to talk to you about it. So how do number lines help us understand numbers? You are used to seeing number lines. You've been seeing them since kindergarten because in kindergarten, a lot of teachers teach you how to count by 1, 2, 3 on a number line. So 1. Okay, now slide your finger to the next one. What is that? 2. And the next one is perfect, 3. And then so on. Sorry. Running out of places here. So each one of these is one whole. So you have been very used to seeing whole numbers on a number line, but we also talk about fractions on a number line. And you saw that yesterday in the video that you watched with me going over it. Think, you can show more than whole numbers on a number line. So it's not just whole numbers that use number lines, it's also parts of a number, which are called fractions. Fractions show equal parts of a whole. So what we do is we take these wholes, let me get rid of that for a minute. We take these wholes and we can break them into smaller parts. So here's 0 and 1. What is in the middle of 0 and 1? Well, the fraction that's in the middle of 0 and 1, won't let me straighten that up. The fraction that's in the middle of 0 and 1 is 1/2 because there are two equal parts, one part and then the second part. So you have two equal parts, part 1 and then part 2. And then this point right here is at the first part of it. So we land right here, which is one part of it. One out of the two equal parts, okay? The same thing can happen on another number line. So on this case, this is a shape that we have divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4. I can take this whole shape and divide it into fourths, or I can take a number line and start at 0 and go to 1, and I can break it up into 4 equal parts, and then each part is 1/4. So we can go 1/4, and then another 1/4 is 2/4. And then another 1/4 is 3/4, and then another one is 4/4. So the same thing of breaking up a shape into 4 equal parts, you can also break up a number line from 0 to 1 in as many parts as you want to, okay? So this section shows that between 0 and 1, there are 4 equal parts. Underline the sentence that tells why each part of the number line shows 1/4. Well, this is the part, and we know that each one of them is 1/4 because each one is one piece out of 4 pieces. So one piece out of 4 pieces. Number lines can help us understand fractions greater than 1 as well. So we talked about this in the video yesterday. You can have what's called fractions greater than 1.